Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix add to favorites not showing on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If add to favorites option not showing in your TikTok, then what you have to do is just simply open settings and you have to go to the apps, and from here you have to search for TikTok, and then let me tell you that you have to enable all the permission from here. So after that, what you have to do is just simply open storage and cache, then you have to clear cache but not storage, and just simply force stop the app from here, then close this page, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store, and then let me tell you that you have to search for TikTok, and from here you have to check that if your TikTok is updated or not. If your TikTok is not updated, then you have to update your TikTok, and after updating your problem will be fixed. So you can see here my TikTok is not updated, that's why this option is not showing in my phone. So just simply tap on update, and after that your TikTok will be updated and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.